distinguished guests, esteemed prospective students. As Dean of the Faculty of Science at the University of Mauritius, I, Dr. P Nunkoo-Gonpot, have the honor and privilege of addressing you today. It is with great pleasure that I extend a formal invitation for you to consider pursuing your academic journey within our faculty. The Faculty of Science stands as a pillar of academic excellence, innovation, and international collaboration. We comprise of 4 distinguished departments: mathematics, biosciences and marine studies, chemistry, and physics. We offer a comprehensive suite of academic programs at undergraduate, postgraduate, and doctoral levels, designed to meet both current and future scientific challenges. Our degrees equip students with strong theoretical foundations and hands-on experience, as well as foster advanced research, critical thinking, and innovation. Our doctoral students contribute to high-impact research across diverse fields, often in collaboration with international research centers and funding bodies. Our achievements speak to the strength of our academic offerings. The Department of Mathematics has produced graduates who have gone on to successful careers in major international institutions, such as the World Bank, where they serve in roles requiring advanced analytical and quantitative expertise. The Department of Chemistry offers an undergraduate program accredited by the Royal Society of Chemistry UK, a recognition of academic and professional excellence. We are also proud of our leadership in marine and environmental research, where students actively contribute to research in marine biodiversity, conservation, and sustainable ecosystem management, with collaborative projects spanning regional and international waters. The faculty maintains robust research partnerships with leading universities in Europe, Japan, and South Africa, amongst others, and contributes to prestigious global projects such as the Mauritius Radio Telescope and the Square Kilometre Array, one of the largest and most ambitious radio astronomy projects in the world. In choosing the Faculty of Science, you will join a vibrant and globally connected academic community, gain access to cutting-edge facilities, and benefit from the mentorship of internationally recognized scholars. Remain firmly committed to nurturing the next generation of scientists, innovators, and thought leaders, and we sincerely hope to welcome you among us. Thank you.